I spent almost 2 days testing a bunch of AI tools, and finally, I found one that honestly made me go, wow. It's Meta AI. This tool lets you turn any image into a moving video, generate tons of new images from a prompt, and even restyle existing videos with just a few clicks. All completely free, unlimited, and watermark-free. If you love discovering AI tools that save time and help you make extra income online, make sure to subscribe right now. And stay till the end, because I'll be sharing a super valuable secret tip that almost no one knows to help you get the most out of Meta AI. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and type Meta AI on Google. Then click on the official Meta AI website. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click Login. You can sign in using either Facebook or Gmail, whichever is easier for you. After logging in, you'll see a clean and simple main interface. Now, click the plus icon and select Create. This is where the magic begins. A tool panel will pop up, and this time, you'll notice an option to choose your image size, which wasn't available in the older version. Pretty cool, right? Now, go ahead and type your prompt into this box. For example, a cinematic portrait of a girl standing under neon lights in Paris. Then, just hit enter and wait a few seconds. Boom! Just a few seconds later, 4 stunning, crystal clear images pop up right on your screen. And guess what? There's absolutely no watermark. Now comes the most exciting part. When you hover your mouse over one of those images, you'll see an Animate button appear. Just click it once, and that still image instantly comes to life, moving like a real short movie clip. If you want to customize things a bit more, click Custom Animate below. Here, you can type a prompt describing the motion. For example, the camera slowly zooms in as the character smiles under a light drizzle. You can also add background music by clicking the music note icon. Wait a few seconds for it to process, and boom, your image is now a video, moving smoothly with no watermark and no limits. Now, let's say you want to bring your own photo to life. How do you do that? Super easy. Click on Animate My Photo, then choose a picture from your computer or phone. Next, paste your prompt in the box. For example, the camera slowly pans as sunlight shines across the face. Hit enter and wait just a few seconds. The processing is super fast, and the result is honestly amazing. Can you believe it? Every detail, from the lighting to the movement, looks so natural and smooth, just like it was filmed with a professional camera. And here's my favorite part. You can transform the style of any existing video. Let's do it together. Click the plus icon again, select Add File, and upload the video you want to edit. Once the upload is complete, click Restyle. Now, you'll see a whole range of video styles, from cinematic and anime to painting, fantasy, and even sci-fi. You can scroll through them or hit Browse to explore more options. After picking a style, the system will automatically process your video. And in less than a minute, boom, your video is completely transformed with brand new lighting, colors, and a fresh cinematic tone. Once you're done, just click Share, then choose Download, and your video will automatically be saved to your device. No watermark, no quality loss, and no payment required. Everything you create, whether it's an image, animation, or video, is fully saved right on your device. And that's it. With just one free login, you can create unlimited, high-quality AI images and videos, all completely free and watermark-free. This is honestly one of the easiest and most powerful tools I've tested this year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to tell me what kind of video you'll create first. I'm David from NextGen David AI, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll show you an AI tool that's even crazier than this Meta AI.